20 budget-friendly rental flat. Decorating ideas, smart solutions. Transform your rental flat with 20 easy, budget-friendly decorating ideas tailored for the USA, ensuring no permanent modifications needed. Explore creative ways to enhance your rental by maximizing space with light colors, sheer curtains, and strategically placed mirrors. Add warmth and personality through varied textiles, mixing textures, patterns, and incorporating greenery for a natural touch. Utilize multifunctional furniture like storage ottomans, foldable items, and Murphy beds to save space and maintain style. Introduce clever, damage-free solutions such as command hooks and tension rods to hang items and divide spaces without drilling. Personalize your space with temporary DIY painted furniture, ensuring easy reversibility for lease compliance. Create distinct vibes like industrial chic or Scandinavian minimalism, using specific decor elements to set the desired ambience. With these tips, turn any rental flat into a stylish, inviting home without breaking the bank or your rental agreement.